Hey, what's up guys? It's Saturday, going down to the workshop, and we're gonna film a video for you, and I'm gonna tell you about what's going on today. But first, we have to get all this stuff, my lights and all that stuff here. So,
I'm living like I got old money. Living like I got old money, all the money, man. Living.
Alright, what's up guys? So we're making another video today. This is our vlog number 2, so day 2 of the vlog. You know, the other video we said we're gonna try to do 3 or 4 a week. I think we're gonna change that actually. I'm gonna try to get you guys out one every single day, which is probably gonna be pretty crazy, but we're gonna try. So today, well, tonight, I'm looking down at my wrist like there's actually a watch. No watch. Anyways, it's pretty late. We have this sweet idea for a cookbook. And you're probably asking yourself, well, why should I buy a cookbook? Or why would I buy a cookbook whenever I can pretty much find every recipe I want online? I'm gonna take you guys back a couple days to when I had this epiphany
moment
while talking to my wife on the phone about why it makes sense to buy a cookbook.
I was just talking to my wife, Lindsay, about recipes, and she was complaining to me about how annoying it is that while she's trying to read a recipe on her phone, these ads keep popping up and she has to keep scrolling, and it's really frustrating. And yeah, that's why people need to buy a physical cookbook.
We generally eat pretty healthy, usually try to eat organic food, but a lot of times we find these recipes that are supposed to be healthy, but they taste horrible. They taste absolutely horrible. Ultimately, we're gonna put together a sweet cookbook that has healthy recipes that are easy to make, that also taste great. But wouldn't it be sweet if there was a cookbook that had your breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and not only that, so you got a spread, breakfast, lunch, dinner, all laid out for you. We'll have a shopping list for each week, so you have the meals for the whole week, and at dinner and breakfast and lunch, we're gonna pair together foods that taste good together, that complement each other. And this has turned out to be a really long video. I didn't plan for it to be this long, but anyways, so long story short, we're gonna make a cookbook, and we'll be publishing it soon. And at some point along the way, we're gonna have videos of us making some of these recipes that hopefully taste really great. Well, what am I saying? Of course they're gonna taste great, or else we won't include them in the cookbook. Yeah, I guess that's it. So, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next episode.
Better, whenever you have a meal plan, you save money on groceries. So the cost of the cookbook will be less than what you'll save in groceries for the month. How freaking awesome is that?
Sleeping in a minivan of 6,000 square feet, flipped it to the new LeBrons from bare feet. And what you know about broke, sleeping in your car, and you wanna tell me what it's like to grind hard.